Hello, this is a vocabulary. Fruit 4. 水果4. The first word is tangerine. 橘子基于橘子 I use a bracket. It means sometimes when you talk, you don't necessarily to say this one. But most of the time, people say these two characters together, 橘子, when you're talking. Next one, orange. 橙子橙子 Same. Sometimes you don't say 子, only say 橙. Or you can say them together. Again, this is a hard pronunciation. Here it's pronounced like ch, like in English, ch. So 橙, you curve your tongue. 橙子吃. Next one, pomelo. 柚子 柚子 Next one, grapefruit. 葡萄柚 We learned 葡萄 in last video. Means grape. 葡萄柚葡无葡特熬桃柚葡萄柚 Last one, lemon. 柠檬柠檬 Both of them are second tongue. 柠檬 Alright, today is a short video. We have just 5 vocabulary. I wish you learn them all. 再见。